Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of delicious side dishes with a recipe that's not only easy, but also a crowd pleaser. We're making glazed carrots, a perfect balance of sweetness and buttery goodness. If you're ready to elevate your side dish game, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this fantastic glazed carrots recipe. 1 pound of fresh carrots, peeled and sliced. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. 1/4 cup of brown sugar. 1/4 cup of honey. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Chopped fresh parsley for garnish. Optional. Alright, let's get these carrots cooking. Start by peeling and slicing your carrots into uniform pieces. This helps them cook evenly and look fantastic on the plate. Now, in a large skillet over medium heat, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once the butter is melted and sizzling, add in the sliced carrots. Let these carrots saute for about 5 minutes or until they start to caramelize and become slightly tender. Next, sprinkle in 1/4 cup of brown sugar, which will add a rich, molasses-like sweetness to our glazed carrots. And for that natural sweetness, drizzle in 1/4 cup of honey. Trust me, this combo is irresistible. To balance the sweetness, season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Give everything a good stir to make sure those flavors are evenly distributed. Now cover the skillet with a lid and let the carrots simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes, or until they are fork tender. This will allow all those flavors to meld together beautifully. And there you have it. Our mouth-watering glazed carrots are ready. The aroma in here is absolutely amazing. Garnish with some freshly chopped parsley for a pop of color and freshness. These glazed carrots make the perfect side dish for any occasion, from weeknight dinners to holiday feasts. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. And as always, let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until then, happy cooking!